Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, for the most part, we had a good harvest weekend. Over the weekend should have been a lot of harvesting done, probably offering some resistance to the marketplace with beans down 3, corn down 2, and wheat down 5 cents. We also have a little bit better outlook from a weather standpoint globally. We've had some rains in Russia. This week, northern Brazil, which has been dry, supposed to get some rains. And we should this week get a lot of rains across the southern plains, especially Texas and Oklahoma. Kind of fills in some of the gaps of where weather is a concern. As far as the outside markets is concerned, third quarter China GDP only 6.9%. They were expecting maybe as low as 6.8%, but this is the lowest GDP since 2009 and when the financial crisis started. So on one hand, people are concerned about the Chinese growth, but on the other hand, it could make China add more stimulus, which some people think is a positive thing. But most commodities are lower, the dollar's higher, so that could also be weighing on the grains. We expect soybean harvest about 80% done, corn 60% done. We're still hearing beans yields better than expected. Corn yields pretty much close to what the USDA has been saying. So far, the farmer has been a good seller of beans. Last week was probably the best week of selling beans that we've seen since harvest started. And he's starting to pick up selling some of the corn. And the market is concerned that as he runs out of storage, he may be forced to sell corn into the marketplace. Technically speaking, we've got a negative technical picture. As far as the January beans are concerned, support might be in the 880, 890 area. D's corn 360 to 370, wheat 470 to 480. So that's probably a little bit lower prices than what the market had anticipated. So again, funds were sellers of beans and wheat on Friday, and they bought corn, still estimated to be short a small amount of beans, short wheat, and long corn. So a little bit lower tone as we start out, and one person was quoted as saying over the weekend, it looks like a market is just going to leak lower this week. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.